Hi, this is Jonathan Grossman from What's the Issue. I wanted to talk to you a few minutes about criminal law. Criminal law technically is combined with criminal procedure. And so what's the big problem here? Criminal law, some basic definitions. Well, generally the big problem for a lot of people is the whole issue of homicide, that whole murder and manslaughter. You're too worried about this phrase called malice aforethought, and you're getting a lot of those questions wrong. Criminal pro, that's just quicksand. If you're like me and you never wanted to be in court and you never wanted to be a district attorney or a public defender, all you do is pick exigent circumstances every time you see that answer, correct? It's just a big mush of words. I'll take care of that. For maybe the first time, you'll understand the real practical difference on an MBE question between murder and manslaughter. In 20 minutes, you won't believe how easy these questions can be. Crimp Row, I'll give you an actual approach to how to look at a Crimp Row question. Separate the search and seizure from the Miranda questions. Just convert all this hullabaloo and this Latin stuff into plain English definitions, but more importantly, have a real approach on how to look at these questions. Most people are reading these questions too quickly, looking for those exceptions you're all worried about, getting too caught in the weeds of all these weird little technical rules. Give them those little points. Get the big points. False pretenses and larceny by trick in criminal law. Everybody still makes those mistakes and are worried about title versus possession and all that legal mumbo jumbo. We'll cover the black letter law, but most importantly, I'll tell you how to approach those questions, how to separate those issues. Don't give away 6 to 8 points in murder versus manslaughter because you're always looking for an answer about malice aforethought. Know the basic black letter law, have some practical ways to look at it. Don't pick exigent circumstances every time you see it as an answer choice. This is a real practical way to combine black letter law with a real approach to get those questions. Scoop up a lot of questions in crim law and procedure where you can. You'll be much, much closer to passing the MBE. Thanks and best of luck.